Hey, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide how to install Bloggee CMS content management system. It is a NoSQL blog CMS. Previously I've already made a tutorial about this, but I don't know why someone sent me an email saying that he cannot upload an image after he installed the CMS. He said after choosing a picture, then after clicking the upload button, he did not see the image is uploaded. So here again I'm going to show you step by step how to install it on your computer, in this case on your local web server. First step is of course downloading the source code. Here you can click download zip. Here is the link. Okay, you can click download zip, and here I've already downloaded the source code. I will extract it here. I delete this zip file, and here go inside this Bloggee folder inside it, and let me delete this one, functions, and then here you have these default images. You can delete them. You can delete the default images that you see there, and here is data.txt file. Just let me show you step by step. The download step is done, and then here I said delete data.txt file. Delete data.txt file. Yeah, just delete it. Then what? Then open config.php. Config.php. Set your username and password. Set your username and password. Just let me. I am admin 123123, and the file db. Change the data.txt to something that others cannot guess, like something like this. So I'm going to data.txt here. I will change it to something like this, just random characters. Then you can log in to your admin panel. So here is the root of the website. I will just copy this address and make sure you have running XAMPP. I'm using XAMPP for my local web server, and it should be running the Apache. Start it, then paste the address here. Change this one to localhost. Remember, my installation files are here inside the htdocs default folder of XAMPP. So here I change it to localhost. I press enter. Okay. This text said that let's log into admin panel. So we already set up the config. To log into your admin panel, just type admin.php here after this address. Press enter. Here you need to use your login, and where is it? No, use this config.php. Use this username, just paste it here, and this is our password, and then click login. It is in Bahasa Indonesia right now. Let me just change the setting. Let me set it to English and save it. Okay, This guy said he cannot upload an image. Okay, let me try to choose a file. Let me click this one and I click this image and click open, then I click upload. Okay, let me check the image gallery. It is here already. It's done. I've just uploaded the image successfully. If you open this uploads folder, you can see this image is uploaded here. So let me add a post here, some post, and the date. I'll just not changing it. Featured image, I click that one and I choose this new image. Excerpt, I can just type something, and this one, the content of blog post, you can type anything here, and that's all. Okay, this is I have some small bug here. I cannot scroll down, so I need to zoom out the page like this, and I will fix that soon. I can click this button. I also did not change this language to English, this button. So just click this image, click this button. You will see you have your first post of your website here. Click this icon to see it. Here is your blog post. You can change your blog theme like this, and you will see you have a different appearance. Okay, that's all. It is just simple and easy and free content management system. I believe it has so many limitations, but that's all what I can share with you. Thank you. And this guy, just follow the instruction. You will see how to install and use it. Thank you. Bye bye, and see you next time.